Hi, thanks for watching this Amherst alarm tutorial video. My name's Joe, and today we'll be reviewing how to change the batteries in your DMP-1141-W wireless hold-up button. Before you get started, make sure you contact Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center to let them know you'll be changing your batteries, as this will send a tamper alarm to your panel and to Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center. Let's get started. This is the DMP-1141-W wireless hold-up button. To get started, you're going to want to take a flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into the notch at the bottom, and then you'll just turn it to the side until you hear pop. After that, you just want to remove the cover from its base plate, and here you'll see a board upside down. To remove this board and get to the batteries, you want to pull one clip away and pull the board up and out. Here you see the two CR2430 lithium batteries. To remove them, you're just going to gently pull them out, like so. When you're ready to replace the batteries, go ahead and insert the batteries negative side down. There's markings to indicate which way it goes. As you insert the batteries, you'll see a red light turn on. That red light should line up with this little protrusion. It helps send the light through, so that's going to be at the top, as is the red light. To insert the board, you're going to want to set it down into the first clip and to the little feet. And then to finish inserting it, you're going to want to push it back a little bit and down. You'll hear it click into place. And if it's right, you should see the little red light here. It won't go the other way, so you shouldn't have to force anything. And then to put it back onto its base plate, you just put them together and click it together. That's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you have any questions, please call 716-632-4600. Thank you.